Ooh, this lighting, it's everything. Ooh, this lighting, it's everything. You guys, look, we're doing the garage. It's those kind of like empty garages. I think those are people who died or were in the military or something.
This is great.
It looks like it.
How do you bury
No, it's just like a memory. They just put it right here as a memory or something like that. You see?
Oh, they threw all their money in there.
Yeah, you're supposed to throw them. Christmas tree. This white one's cute. This is cute. It's starting to smell like Christmas already. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I always like this. This girl told me that I come
Two of
like
me.
in my body size is two of her.
Two of me.
Can you guys tell us the truth? Literally I am.
Literally, you are.
I feel like
Two of my thighs together because one
I
of you.
feel like we're just walking down the street. We're going to the store. This like a convenience store here. It's called Family Dollar.
I swear it's out. It's not out.
No.
I was right here and I parked right
You see
there.
people are going there. I know it looks like nobody's going there. Like it looks abandoned nowadays. I don't know
swear, I
why.
thought it was out.
Mhm.
I really thought it was out.
But so long time, walking on the way. Ooh, Agnes, now we're walking. I'm thinking like the girl who just got hit by the car. I'm like, girl, be careful out here.
Of course, Alan.
Oh my gosh. Be careful out here because some people be driving crazy. Ooh, this lighting, it's everything. Ooh, this lighting, it's everything. Go, ooh, ooh, ooh. Back, 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 back. This beautiful park.
Wait, this is not even a park.
It is.
You said a park.
It's just like a little park, like to just, walk around,
Oh my god.
sit down, watch cars passing by.
I might just sit on one of those.
What is this for? It says in honor of. This is like whatever statue. I don't know. Remember something. A memorial for something. John in honor of Miriam. I think those are people who died or were in the military or something.
This is brilliant.
It looks like it.
How do you bury
No, it's just like a memory. They just put it right here as a memory or something like that. You see?
Oh, they threw all their money in there.
Yeah, you're supposed to throw money in here.
I want to look nasty. I'll go digging in there.
I think people come, when it gets a lot, people come in and grab it. You know?
I might take one.
You what?
I might sit that penny.
No, don't do it. Don't do it. He said like he wanna grab that thing.
Oh, this is the war thing.
These are the names of people who fought in the Korean War. This is Korean War. They perished defending guys. Oh my gosh, that's a lot.
Are you taking pictures of these?
No, recording it. That's a lot of people. That one? That's not a library. That is not the library here. So we're gonna go in front of here. In front of here. Okay, come on. Keep walking. You have to watch out for the cars too, okay?
Oh, does that have money in it?
No. The statue. The statue. I think they having a construction there. Oh, we might gonna have to turn back
Why?
because they're having a construction there by the street. Oh, look that thing, that water fountain thing, so beautiful.
Where's the attraction?
Huh?
Where's the attraction?
Attraction.
You said attraction.
It's me. Hurry up, Jaden. Hurry up and go. Let's go. Let's bounce. You guys, look, we're doing the garage. It does kind of like an empty garage outside. That's what I was saying. Color, color, any color, color, oh my gosh, I can't believe that they have a Christmas tree out already. Christmas tree. Christmas tree. This white one's cute. This is cute. It's starting to smell like Christmas already. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I always like this. Yeah. It's starting to smell like Christmas. Going in the kitchen and stuff. All I need, I think I just want like the microwave cover thing like that. So something like this to cover food in the microwave. Now I am on the KitchenAid. So beautiful. So good. I love the KitchenAid stuff for some reason. I like looking at it. So nice. This is so good.